Everyone, get your literacy skill book and open page number 9999. Page number 9999. Acha, before doing this page, first of all, we have to read the words on page number 98. So first of all, you get your book and open page number 98. We are going to read the E sound words and then we are going to write it on the next page. Okay? So I'm writing the book name and the page number, everything in the chat box. So you kindly look there, see, look at there. Okay, you are literacy skill book, page number 98. Okay, chalo. Now we are going to read this page together. Everyone, I had written the book name and the page number in the chat box. In case of any problem, you kindly see there. So, first of all, we are going to read 3-letter words of E sound. फिर उसके बाद हम next page पर इसे लिखेंगे. So, kids, you kindly pay attention here. Keep your finger over there on the first word. चलो, first word पर finger रखो. We are going to read it together. हम लोग सब साथ में पढ़ेंगे. Reading is very, very, very important. Keep your finger, everyone. Keep your pointer over there on the first word. चलो, shall we start? Start करें. Start. B E D. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Read it kindly. Pay attention in your book. Then the next word is D-E-N. D-E-N. Den. Den I had told you, den is the house of lion. Lion का जो house होता है उसको हम कहते हैं den. Okay, so read. Come on, everyone, pay attention. D-E-N. Den. Read it. Writing. Before writing, we have to read all the words. Then the next one. H-E-N. So कैसे read करेंगे with using phonic sound? How we are going to read it? H-E-N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Okay, we have to read it using phonic sound. The next one is come to the second line. Come to second line, first picture. J-E-T. Jet. J-E-T. So J says J, E or T. Jet. J-E-T. Jet. Jet. You have to read using phonic sounds. J-E-T. Jet. Then Yatendra, what do you want to ask? I can't get you. Page number 98, you have to open. I have written the book name and the page number as well in the chat box. Now, the next one. P-E-T. So, read. P says pa, E says a, or T says ta. P-A-T. Pet. Parishi, what are you doing? Mothers, it's your responsibility to make them sit. Why she is not reading the words? आप अभी read नहीं करोगे तो afterwards you face a lot of problem in reading. Why I have to say every time? Chalo, come on. To pet. Then the last line. Come on, last line, first word. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Then next is red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. ठीक है? The last one. W-E-T. W says wo. E-T. Wet. In this way, you have to read using phonic sound. Wo. E-T. Wet. Okay? Chalo. Now come to next page, page number 99. Now here, you have to trace the word first and write down. ठीक है? Read the words and then write. Read the words first and then write. Chalo. Page number 99. Okay. So the first one is, come on, kids, try to read it. अभी हमने read करा था. B-E-D. So B-E-D. Bed. So the first word is bed. You have to write bed. First trace it and then write it. B-E-D. Bed. Reading is very, very, very much important. Kindly pay attention, everyone. Otherwise, you are going to face a lot of problem further. Then the next one is F-E-D. Fed. F-E-D. Fed. F-E-D. Fed. Read it and then write it. F says fa, E says e, D says d. So fa, e, d, fed. Okay. Kids, before writing, you have to read the word. Before writing, जैसे मैम आपको बता रहे हैं, you have to read the word using phonic sound. It's not so difficult. जब आप read करना start करोगे ना, तो it seems very easy to you. H-E-N. So H says her, E-N, hen. Her, E-N, hen. Hen. Her, hen. You have to read it and then write it. Okay? In the same way, you have to read all the words using phonic sound. Now come to next line. The first word is j, a, t. J says j, E says a, and T says t. So j, a, t. Jet. J, E, T. Jet. J, a, t. Jet. Next. L, E, D. Okay. Chalo, now read it. L says la, E says a, D says d. L, a, d. Lead. L, a, d. Lead. Lead. Then after lead, the next word is P, E, N. P says pa, E says eh, N says na. Pa, eh, n, pen. Pa, eh, n, pen. Pa, eh, n, pen. Then next is P, E, T. So pa, eh, t, pet. Pa, eh, t, pet. Pa, eh, t, pet. Read it and write it. Only one time you have to trace and one time you have to write. Po, a, to, pet. Then the next one is T, E, N. To, a, n, ten. To, a, n, ten. Yes, Parishi, you can go. Go. T says ta, E says a, and N says na. So to, a, n, ten. Then next is V, E, T. So V says V. V, E, T. Wet. V, E, T. Wet. Okay. So in this way, you have to read and write and read. Okay. So we are going to do Hindi rhyme now. And the title of the rhyme is डब्बू और चीटी. हमारे हिंदी राइम का टाइटल क्या है? डब्बू और चीटी. So everyone, you have to sing along with ma'am and do the actions. I think अब आप सबको learn हो गई है. Come on. I am looking at each one of you. You all have to sing along with ma'am and do the actions as well. ठीक है? Let's start. Start. डब्बू जी की तोंद बड़ी, चीटी उस पर एक चढ़ी, शोर मचाते डब्बू राम, चीटी नीचे गिरी धड़ाम, फूट गया चीटी का सर, डब्बू भाग गया डर कर. वेरी गुड, वेल डन. चलो अगेन कम ऑन एवरीवन. डब्बू जी की तोंद बड़ी, चीटी उस पर एक चढ़ी, शोर मचाते डब्बू राम, चीटी नीचे गिरी धड़ाम, फूट गया चीटी का सर, डब्बू भाग गया डर कर. Okay, good kids, nice. Chalo, now we forgot to say the name of weekdays and months name, है ना? So come on, tell me how many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? Come on, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. How many days? 7 days. Come on, say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Okay. Now, how many months are there in a year? एक ईयर में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? मैम आपको डेली बताते हैं ना. There are 12 months. Ridan, 12 months are there. We can't count on fingers. Beta, I am not asking the days in a year. I am asking about the month. Lokendra. So, there are 12 months in a year. Kitne months? 12 months. So, come on. Say it together. January, February, March, April. Everyone, I'm looking at you. Say May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Vidhan, you want me to remove you from the class? Chalo. Now kids, now we have completed the rhymes and all. Now we are going to do our maths work. So get your mathematics copy. We are going to do what comes in between. So between मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by between? Between मतलब बीच में. Between मतलब बीच में. So everyone get your mathematics copy and write down today's date. So in your max copy, you have to write down the date first, and then we have to write what comes in between. So the first number is 1010 dash and 1212. So you have to say the counting. ठीक है, between मतलब बीच में आपको बताना है कि what comes in between 10 and 12. 10 और 12 के बीच में क्या आता है? So we have to say the counting. So which number comes between 10 and 12? 11. 11 comes between 10 and 12. Done? Now, the next one is 1, 8, 18 dash and 2, 0, 20. So, which number comes in between 18 and 20? So, start counting from 15, 15, 16, 17, 18. अब 18 के बाद क्या आ रहा है? What comes after 18? 19. So, number 19 comes in between 18 and 20. Nineteen comes in between 18 and 20. You can say from 11 as well. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So number 19 comes in between 18 and 20. 18 और 20 के बीच में आता है number 19. Write down. Written number 19. Okay. Now the next one. 1, 1, 11 dash and 1, 3, 13. So you have to say what comes in between 11 and 13. Chalo, start counting from 11. 11 and after 11, 12. What comes after 11? 12. So 12 comes in between 11 and 13. 11 और 13 के बीच में आता है 12. 11 and 12, 11 and 13 के बीच में आता है 12. 12 comes in between 11 and 13. Eleven and 13 के बीच में आता है 12. 12 comes in between 11 and 13. Now,